Jotuo ikar thieth maduong' ma Kisii oyudo fuong'ruok tok Gavana ma kaunti no Arati miyo gi mich mag odhialo nyasi mar Krismas kolose kinde mane olimo ute thieth mag Medifort kod Christian Marin. Arati ojiwo oganda jo Kenya mondo yie obedi achiel gi jogo maonge nyalo e kinde ni mag sikuku. Nyasi mag sikuku obagi gwenge mopogore opogore e kaunti no kamoriwo gi Sima ka jogo bende maonge nyalo bende noyudo mich mopogore opogore.
All our health facilities, which I've done KTRH, I'm going to other facilities, private, because I've finished from the public one. Of course, I've done that. I've seen close to 600 patients in my facility here. I've seen also the state story of our facility, one of the buildings which was condemned, where we evacuated over 500 patients.
Wamenisaidia si kukuwa na chochote, nililemewa last week, wamenishughulikia, wamenipea dawa, nimepona na si kuwa na bili ya kutoka.
You can see in my background, watu ni wengi. Hii ndio raha ya Christmas, kuchungumika pamoja, kukucha pamoja, kusherehekea pamoja. Hiyo ndio Christmas.
Tungekuwa tunakula mandazi moja lakini anatupea unga, sasa tutaweza kula mandazi mingi. Akina mama wamefurahi, watoto wamefurahi pia na wazee. Tumeshukuru sana.
Ogai mar ODM Burogenga ojiwo oganda luo mondo mi sir tendas